Today we are going to discuss about the famous wide leg jeans. Yes, wide leg jeans are so famous. I talk about Gen Zs or even millennials. Wide leg jeans are so famous that people are opting to wear more of wide leg jeans. So let me tell you in today's video what tops you can wear and how you can style your wide leg. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Manishika. For look one, I have chosen here a statement top. You're wearing your wide leg jeans, which is high waisted, like this jeans is very high waisted. You can wear this with a statement top, which is fitted and full sleeve. These kind of statement tops goes really well with your wide leg jeans. It will elevate the whole look, as wide leg jeans are kind of like oversized and it is always like flowing. Make sure to wear something which is a bit of not so oversized and a bit of fitted, so that's why I've chosen this statement top. Moving on to look 2, again a fitted top. We have tucked it in properly and wear it. You can choose a alternate top as well, or any kind of top which is very much fitted with your wide leg jeans. These kind of fitted tops goes really well. It will elongate your look, and if you're somebody who is shorter or have a petite body type like me, to look taller you can always opt for something smaller tops, like all these fitted tops or crop tops, something like that. Don't go anything for long tops because it will cut off your height. In the third look, I've chosen a satin top. It has a halter neck kind of structure, and all these kind of wide leg jeans goes pretty well with these kind of satin tops. I've tucked in the satin tops and it is giving me a very chic and classy look. So you can wear all your kind of satin shirt or t-shirt, anything that are satin with your wide leg jeans. It goes pretty much amazing. Moving on to look 4. Look 4, here I have chosen a long top buttoned up. If your body type is a tall figure or have a figure which is very slim, you can wear all these long top with your wide leg jeans. Now this creates a proportion also, and it is also giving me a bit of Indo-Western look if I style it in a with a jhumkas and everything. So it will give me an Indo-Western look. Well, I have more looks to discuss, but before that, if you are somebody who is petite or have a shorter height and you love to wear wide leg pants like this and also love to wear oversized t-shirt, but even if you wear that, are you somebody who is looking still shorter? I have a tip for you that you will not look shorter and you can wear both. For that, you need to watch this video till the end. Moving on to look 5. Look 5, I have chosen a crop top. Of course, with your wide leg jeans, you can wear any crop top. I have chosen this cherry red crop top. It is going pretty well with this wide leg jeans. If you accessorize it more, it's gonna look amazing. Moving on to look 6. Look 6, again I'm wearing a crop top, but here I have layered it with a shrug. Now here I have used a mesh shrug. It is a netted shrug, but you can use any kind of shrug, any kind of shirt also, or even jacket also, or even coat or blazer also to layer it. So the main motto is to make you see that with a crop top and wide leg jeans you can layer on it to make a proportion, and it will create a different dimensions of your whole silhouette. Moving on to look 7. In look 7, I have wore a long kurti. Now this kurti is going so well with the wide leg jeans. It has chain from up to down, so it is creating a different kind of illusion. It is a bit fitted, not like proper oversized or flared kurti. It is a bit fitted, so it is giving me that as if I am wearing a palazzo with the kurti. It is giving me that kind of vibes. Always style your different types of kurtis with your jeans. So we have come down to our last look, which is the look 8, where I have styled oversized wide leg pant with an oversized t-shirt. Yes, and I'm going to tell you the tip where even if you're shorter, how you can wear this and not look shorter or petite. So here I've tucked in the oversized t-shirt a bit in backwards and put it all down in the front. This way I have styled this oversized t-shirt with my wide leg jeans. You can obviously wear your oversized t-shirt with your wide leg jeans if you know correctly how to style it, even if you're petite or even if you're shorter. Now if I open this oversized t-shirt fully, and you can see how it is looking so not cool, so not appropriate, and even looking shorter. If you are a petite, you will look more shorter if you don't tuck your oversized t-shirt, if you open it, and if you wear this with this wide leg jeans which is already oversized. So make sure you tuck in. There is a two-way you can tuck in front also. Tucked a bit of your oversized t-shirt in the front and leave it all at the back, or you can tuck at the back and leave it all in the front. That's it guys, that's the end of today's video. I have shared you how you can style your wide leg jeans, and also I've shared few tips for your petite body type, how you can style your wide leg jeans and not look much shorter in it. So I have shared you what tops you can wear and how you can style your wide leg jeans. In previous videos also I have shared how you can style skinny leg jeans and also straight leg jeans. If you haven't watched that, after this video it will come up in your screen. You can click that and watch that. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable.